first thing we need to do is remove the access cover to give us access to the dipstick, and then unthread the dipstick. This will help the crankcase vent properly. Now, using a 17mm socket, we'll remove the drain bolt and let the engine oil drain completely. As the oil is draining, now is a good chance to check the condition of the crush washer. If it's damaged or missing, you'll want to replace it to prevent any future leaks. Now we'll reinstall the drain bolt and torque it to 18 foot-pounds. Now we're going to have to remove the rear seat to get the right side fairing off of the ATV. It's held in place with just a couple push pins. Now once we move it out of the way, we can get access to the oil filter cover. It's held in place with 3 8mm bolts. When removing the old oil filter, make sure the spring is still in place. Check the condition of the O-ring. When reinstalling the new oil filter, make sure that the black grommet is facing outside of the engine. It's also stamped this side out. And then we'll snug our 8mm bolts down. About 7 foot-pounds is all we need here. We don't want to over-tighten them. Now it's time to fill the engine with oil. Honda states that this unit holds 3.2 quarts of Honda Gen 4 10W30. But you can use any other ATV oil as long as it's designed for a wet clutch system. Now we'll reinstall our dipstick. And now we're going to start the engine up, let it idle for just a few moments. That's going to get the oil circulating through the system properly. Then we'll shut it down and let it sit for a few more moments. That's going to help us achieve an accurate oil level reading. Now we'll remove the dipstick and remove the excess oil, and then simply place it on top of the housing and remove it again to check our oil level. And this looks great, so let's hit the trails.